Good afternoon, it's Gary from IronFind.ca coming to you from the lower mainland. Today I'm going to show you this 2010 Peterbilt 388 highway tractor. Has 1,068,300 kilometers and 20,010 engine hours. It has a Cat C15 engine, 550 horsepower, 2050 torque. It has a Jake brake, full lockers, 18-speed Eaton Fuller transmission, RTLO 18918B. Front axle rating is 12,000 pounds. 40,000 on the rear, spring suspension on the front and air on the rear. The rear axle model is DSP 40Ps, those are Super 40s. The ratio is 3.70, rubber all the way around, 11R 22.5, on aluminum rims all the way around inside and out. Wheelbase 244 inches, twin 147-gallon tanks, and a 53-inch single sleeper. 2 years ago, the engine head was replaced. I'm going to do a general walk around of the unit. We're going to come up close for a tight inspection. We're going to go inside the unit and check under the hood. And it is a dark blue color, dual exhaust, single beacon light. The truck's been well maintained and is clean. And we're just going to finish our walk around. And there we go. Let's get a little closer here. I'm coming right up in the bumper. It looks like it needs to be replaced. It's got some dents in there and some rust. The grille looks good, just missing the Peterbilt plaque on there. The grille's in good shape. I'm just going to pan up the unit. And let's take a look here. The front hood. That looks good. And the steps up to the cab here on the passenger side, nice and level. And the CVI is valid till March 2018. And let's just pan up the sleeper unit here. And I'm noticing the access deck is a little bit bent. You can see it's quite a rainy day. But anything we can't see in the video, I'll have photos for. I'm just going to come up here, find the Peterbilt low air leaf suspension. That is the brand, of course. And I'm going to do the same thing here on the driver's side, come up between axles 2 and 3. Up to the suspension and just take you behind here a little bit. And we're on the sleeper side here, or the driver's side of the sleeper. Cab looks good, and the hood looks good too. Let's take a look inside the unit. Just going to take a look at the upholstery first. It looks like it's the original. but it's in good shape. And I'm just gonna giving you a good look at the panel here. Go in the back here, and we're going to take a good look inside. Of course, it's low light, whatever you do miss. You'll see in the photos, I can get those with a flash. There's a fridge. And this truck's quite clean, looks to be in pretty good shape. I'm just going to start it up. We're going to go outside and take a look at the engine. Nice clean start. Let's take a look. There you have it. Another good piece of iron from IronFind.ca. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.